Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Jovi, and for today's video I'm going to do a quick haul for you guys. So the other night we went to the city and unexpectedly, I am saying unexpectedly guys, because seriously I never really planned or even think of getting a new this but you know, it's the temptation is just, you know, on your back guys. It's everywhere. And yeah, that's why I'm here now. I'm gonna show you what I bought and what Dada bought yeah, the other night. So it's sneakers guys. I'm gonna show you mine first. So mine's I got from this shop Hype. So they sell, you know, all brands of shoes like Adidas, Nike, New Balance, Reebok, all those stuff guys. So I got it from here. So just a quick background guys, we went to David Jones first. It's only because we need to get a present for our friend's daughter's first birthday. So we went and we grabbed what we needed, and then yeah, on our way out Dada saw the shoes, and hence, well, firstly guys, it's this one. It's a Nike shoes. This is what he saw and he really wanted to get it. So, you know, we were just waiting for him while, you know, he was trying on and still deciding, you know, if he's getting it or not. Because guys, mind you, he's got so many pairs of sneakers now. I think he's addicted to them, which is good. That's the only vice he's got. So I'm not complaining about that. But yeah, it's in this box. So he got this one. Have a look guys. It's a floral neon color. How bright is this thing? But it looks so good on him guys. You know, he looks very sporty, and which he is actually. He looks very, you know, athletic. So that's what it looks like. So it's the shoes. So guys, Dada is size, I believe he's size 9 US. It's very, very light. See if it shows the name. So it says Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 36 Cody, chrome yellow / black white. It's size 9. There you go. So yeah, this is what he got. He wore it yesterday guys, so once. So that's why it looks a bit dirty. But yeah, that's his new sneakers guys. It looks really cool. What do you all think? And then while waiting for him guys, we were just like, you know, walking around the shop and that. And then I saw these shoes, which, I don't know. I showed it to him. I said like, should I buy it or not? And he already said no to me, because the other, I think a couple of weeks ago, he got me a new pair of shoes as well as a gift, because he's sweet and he sometimes do that, you know. And the one that I showed him is very similar to this. So this is what he bought me a couple of weeks ago. It's from Puma, and that's what it looks like. It's very colorful guys. I think it just shows you that we're really into neon colors. So that's the one. I'm in size 6 guys, women's. So this is what it looks like. The one that he bought me before, that's why he said no to this. But oh, sorry guys, I forgot to tell you, this one, I think he got it for 200 Australian dollars. This one. And then I saw these shoes at David Jones as well, guys. Although, because I search online straight away, because that's how I do it, guys. Sometimes when I see something that I really like, I tend to search online first and see if it's cheaper somewhere, because I hate paying full price, guys. I really do. You know, I always love a bargain. So I've found these shoes. Have a look at this, guys. How colorful it is. How beautiful is the color combination though. It's like, I don't know, is it purple, pink? It's got mint greeny color here, and it's like nice shade of blue. But yeah, I just really like the color, guys. What do you guys think? Have a look. Yay! So good. Yeah, guys, so the first shop that we went to where I found these shoes, they were selling it for $180, and I said, okay, let's try to find somewhere if it's like cheaper. And then yes, ta-da, guys, I searched online, and Hype DC in the same building, guys, they're selling it for, hang on, yeah, so the original price is 180 Australian dollars, guys, and Hype DC was selling it for $129.99. So it's like $50 discount, and I'm not gonna say no to that. So straight away I just went downstairs, because yeah, to grab it, because you know, I'm not gonna pay more if I can get it for less, right? So yeah, that's why I got this. I think like I think the shoes, I tried it on already, guys, around the house, and it's very comfortable. It's very light as well. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like on later. But yeah, have a look. It's very cute as well. Like, see the thing inside? I'm gonna tell you the name. Yeah, so it's Nike React Presto. So that's what it calls. But yeah, so here's the new sneakers, guys, to add to our collection. I think it's really, really cool. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what Dada bought me before, which he thinks that looks very similar to these, but I don't think it is. Like, see, now they're different. So yeah, that's fine. You can never have enough pairs of sneakers, guys. And while I was there, guys, I just took advantage of these, because see, they have, you know, the, I don't know, ankle socks. I don't know if that's how you call it. Ankle socks, I think. But yeah, if you buy the 3, guys, it's for $20. And if you buy 2 sets of 3s, you can have it for $25, guys. So yeah, what a bargain. So I just got reused already, the other 2. So I've got 3 whites, and I've got 3 blacks. But yeah, guys, that's all we got from the city. And yeah, I just thought I'm gonna show them to you, and I hope that you like this video, guys. And please, please, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye.